Hello, grade one. Welcome back to our online class. This is teacher Giovanni again, and in this video, we're going to talk about addition within 10. What is addition? What do you mean by addition? Let's answer that question through our examples. In this picture, we see birds. Some of them are on the ground, and there's only one bird that is flying. Actually, it's flying. So the first question here is how many birds are on the ground? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 birds on the ground, so we write 8 here. Next, how many birds join them? There's only one bird that wants to join them, that wants to join the group, so we write here 1. How many birds are there all together? So there's the word all together. All together means we are going to count them all. Count them all. So we're going to count every bird we see in the picture. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 9 birds all together. Therefore, we have the following addition sentence. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Again, this is called an addition sentence. In this addition sentence, 8 and 1 are what we call the parts. And 9 is what we call the whole. And remember, parts and whole are also used in number bond. Therefore, we can write these numbers 8, 1, and 9 in a number bond. Okay? Remember, in a number bond, these are the parts, and the blue circle is what we call the whole. So we write 9 here, and we write 8 and 1 in the parts. And there's another thing that you have to remember in number bond. We are going to put the parts together. We're going to put these parts together in order to get the whole. And remember, look at this. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Therefore, we are going to understand the word addition in this manner. Addition is about putting objects together. You put 8 birds and 1 bird together, you get 9 birds. That's the meaning of addition. What's addition again? Putting objects together. And if you see this symbol, the cross symbol, it means add. It means you're going to put 8 and 1 together and you get 9. Next example, in the picture, we see gray cats and some orange cats. How many are orange cats? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 orange cats. How many are gray cats? 1, 2. There are 2 gray cats. How many cats are there in all? How many cats are there all together? In all is the same as all together. So we have to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 cats all in all, 7 cats all together. So our addition sentence is going to be 5 cats plus 2 cats equals 7 cats. And remember that 5 and 2 are the parts, 7 is the whole. And let's write these numbers again in a number bond. So where do we put 7? It's inside this blue circle, and 5 and 2 are written inside the parts. So 5 and 2 make 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Next example, we have birds again. We have some birds on the higher branch. We don't have any birds on the lower branch, right? So the question here is, how many birds are on the higher branch? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 birds on the higher branch. How many birds are on the lower branch? We don't see any birds on the lower branch, right? So we write here 0. How many birds are there altogether? There's the word altogether again. It means we have to count all of them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have nothing here. So we have here 8 birds all together. So our addition sentence is going to be 8 plus 0 equals 8. Again, 8 and 0 are the parts. 8 is the whole. And if we are going to write these numbers in a number bond, we're going to write 8, the whole here, 8 inside this blue circle, and the other 2 numbers inside the parts. 8 and 0 make 8. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Next, let's understand the word more. Let's understand the word more. Okay, what is it about? Let's start with this example. I have here 1, 2, 3 carrots, and I'm going to add 1 more. I have 3 carrots and 1 more. How many carrots do I have now? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. Therefore, I can say that 3 plus 1 equals 4. This is our addition sentence. 3 carrots and you add 1 more, you have now 4 carrots. So more means addition, you add. Next example, I have 3 carrots at first and I have 2 more. How many carrots do I have altogether now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carrots altogether. So we write here 3 plus 2 more equals 5. Next, I have here 3 carrots and I have 3 more. So how many carrots do I have in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 carrots altogether now. So our addition sentence is 3 plus 3 equals 6. Next, let's have addition by counting on. You can use the counting on method using your brain or using the number tape, as you can see here. Okay, so letter A, we are going to add 4 and 1. How do we add 4 and 1 by counting on? We have here 4 plus 1 equals blank. So how do we use this number tape? So this is what you're going to do. The first thing that you're going to do is you look for number 4 in the number tape. This is number 4 in the number tape. And since addition is about moving forward, not backward, it's about moving forward. So we're going to go to the right, move 1 to the right because it says here 1. Move 1 to the right and look at this number tape. We landed on what number? We landed on 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay? if we're going to use our brain, you have to put 4 in mind, and then count on. But you have to show your one finger first because the other number is 1. So 4 in mind and then count on 4, 5. Again, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Another example, add 6 and 2. We're going to add 6 and 2. First, let's find 6 in our number tape. What is this called again? Number tape, because it's a tape. It's a tape, and there are a lot of numbers in it. So 6, we're going to find 6. Here's the 6, and we're going to move to the right. How many times? We move going to the right 2 times because the other number is 2. So we have here 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Make sure not to skip any number. Okay? So we landed on number 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Using our brain, we are going to put 6 in mind, and then show your 2 fingers. 6, 6, 7, 8. Again, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. And our last example, this is the last example in this video. Add 3 and 3. Add 3 and 3. First, we're going to look for the number 3 in the number tape. Here it is. And we're going to move to the right how many times? 3 times, because the other number is 3. So we have here 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. We landed on number 6. Therefore, 3 plus 3 is 6. Using our brain, we have to put number 3 in mind. Put number 3 in mind and show 3 fingers because the other number is 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, that's it, grade 1. I hope you learned something from this video and see you in my next videos.